Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Self-Propelled Treadmill is probably one of the most innovative fitness solutions for home workouts, offering a unique blend of low-impact cardio and muscle engagement without the noise and bulk of a motorized treadmill. This video will explore the top features, benefits, and considerations to help you decide if a self-propelled treadmill is the right choice for your fitness journey. Number 5. SereneLife Folding Treadmill. This innovative treadmill is perfect for home workouts. Its compact design makes it ideal for small spaces, and it folds away easily for storage. It's surprisingly compact, measuring just 50L x 24W x 49.2 inches unfolded and even smaller when folded. You can easily store it away when not in use. Track your progress with the LCD display, showing speed, distance, calories burned, and heart rate. Connect to the Fit Show app via Bluetooth to share your data and challenge friends. It features a manual incline adjustment for a more challenging workout. Plus, an integrated safety key ensures your safety. Enjoy added convenience with the built-in cup holder and book magazine tray. It supports users up to 220 pounds and has a speed range of 0.6 to 6.0 miles per hour. This electric treadmill is easy to set up and folds away neatly, making it perfect for apartments or homes with limited space. It's lightweight and portable, weighing only 60 pounds. What we like. It's small and space-saving, perfect for apartments. It connects to your phone for tracking progress and sharing your fitness journey. If you value a compact design and enjoy tracking your workouts, this is the one for you. What people say. It was easy to assemble and not too heavy. It folds up and down like a dream. It's quite small when folded and easy to move around. It has wheels. The speed range is great for walking and light jogging, and the display shows all the essentials like time, distance, speed, and calories burned. Number 4. Goplus Superfit Treadmill. It's a treadmill with two modes to fit your workout needs. Fold the riser for walking, raise it for running. You can easily switch between speeds and units via the app. It features a powerful yet quiet 2.25 HP motor. Enjoy a smooth, comfortable workout without disturbing those around you. Its sturdy frame ensures stability and safety. The spacious, non-slip running belt is easy on your joints. The LED display tracks your time, speed, distance, and calories burned, keeping you updated on your progress. Connect it to your phone via Bluetooth to play music, watch videos, or use the app to track your workouts and connect with others. A remote control lets you easily adjust speed and stop instantly. Its compact, foldable design and built-in wheels make it easy to move and store, saving valuable space. It's ready to use right out of the box. What we like. This treadmill has a powerful motor for a smooth run, but it's also whisper quiet. It folds easily for storage. If you need a powerful yet quiet treadmill that's easy to store, this is a great choice. Number 3. Sperax 3-in-1 Folding Treadmill. It boasts a powerful 2.5 HP motor, supporting up to 340 pounds. Its innovative 3-in-1 design makes it incredibly versatile and easy to store. Enjoy a safer, more comfortable workout with the extra-wide, 5-layer non-slip running belt. The shock-absorbing design protects your knees. It features an LED display showing distance, speed, and time. A convenient remote control lets you easily adjust settings during the workout. It's foldable and requires no assembly. Transportation wheels allow for easy movement and storage, perfect for home or office use. Sperax is dedicated to providing high-quality products for a healthier lifestyle. Contact us with any questions. Let's begin your fitness journey. What we like. It offers 3 different modes to suit your needs, and it's built to support a high weight capacity. It's also very easy to use and requires no assembly. If you need versatility and a sturdy build, this is the treadmill for you. What people say. It is very smooth and quiet. It easily changes speed and isn't jerky ever. The readout on the screen is easy to read. The ease of movement, compact size, and incredibly low noise level are fantastic on this equipment. Foldable, fit in compact spaces, like folded up behind my bedroom door, bar handle to hold onto, remote control, a 3 miles per hour 6 miles per hour switch button for hit intervals, easy to put together, safety clip. Number 2. Ksports Foldable Treadmill. Experience the convenience of a home gym with this space-saving treadmill. It's perfect for maintaining your fitness routine without sacrificing valuable space. Enjoy a comfortable workout on its 16.5-inch running platform. The powerful motor ensures a quiet and smooth running experience. Pair it with your smartphone via Bluetooth and use fitness apps like KineMap, Zwift, and FitShow to track your progress and stay motivated. It includes a safety key for immediate stopping and is designed to be gentle on your knees and joints. Your safety is our priority. With adjustable speeds, incline levels, and 12 preset programs, you can tailor your workout to your fitness level and goals. It comes with dumbbells and an ab mat, providing a complete fitness solution for your home. Everything you need for a great workout is included. It has an LCD display, USB AUX ports for your music, and is easily foldable for storage. It's designed for your convenience. What we like. It features a wide running surface for comfort and has many workout programs to keep you engaged. It also connects to fitness apps. If you value comfort, variety, and app connectivity, this is a great option. What people say. It came nicely packaged with everything labeled and tools needed to set up. The instruction manual was great, but I especially love the easy-to-follow instructional videos that Ksports provides. Overall, it took about 30 minutes to get everything up and running. The treadmill looks well built, feels very stable and durable. Being medium size, it has a small footprint and with wheels, allows me to place this anywhere in my house. The platform can be folded up for storage, but with a press on the hydraulic button using my foot, it will come gently back down. Really nice, well thought out features. It is very easy to assemble, takes about 15 minutes. It is easy to use, the display is clear and it seems to work well. It is relatively quiet. The motor seems adequate, though it struggles a bit at higher speeds, but for walking, it seems fine. Number 1. Sunny Health and Fitness Slim Treadmill. This innovative treadmill is perfect for home workouts. It's slim, folds easily for storage, and offers a variety of features to enhance your fitness journey. It features 12 preset incline options, allowing you to customize your workout intensity with the touch of a button. Challenge yourself and reach new fitness goals. Elevate your workouts with the free SereneLife app. It offers thousands of trainer-led videos and diverse programs to keep you motivated and engaged. The brushless motor technology ensures a quiet and smooth running experience. Enjoy a comfortable workout without disturbing others. The cushioned deck reduces impact on your joints, providing a comfortable and injury-reducing workout. Run or walk comfortably in your home. The digital monitor displays key metrics like calories burned, distance, pulse, speed, and time. Use the grip sensors to track your heart rate easily. With a weight capacity of 265 pounds, it accommodates users of various sizes. The convenient bottle holder keeps your drink close at hand. What we like. It offers automatic incline adjustment for varied workouts and connects to a fitness app for guided workouts. It also has a quiet motor. If you like guided workouts and a quiet running experience, this is perfect for you. What people say. It came boxed well, assembly was very easy, with everything you need, nuts, bolts, Allen wrench, etc. All of the features work well, the auto incline adjusts smoothly and the belt is fairly quiet. The smaller size of this treadmill and it's perfect for my needs. Took me around 15 to 20 minutes in total because I had to adjust the walking belt. It was over too far on one side and I wasn't able to lift it in order to apply the provided belt lubricant. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.